Hey everybody, this is Valencia from Balloons and Business, and today I'm going to show you how I made this Valentine's Day version of the floating teddy balloon centerpiece that I made before. So if you want to see how I made this, go ahead on and stay tuned.
Walk in the room and everybody's got opinions, but I don't really care. I'm head to toe in my brilliance. You can look at my smile and let it shine on your diamonds, cause I'm way too high on myself, and you can't bring me down, 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 down. You can't bring me down, 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 down. And you can't bring me down, so don't quit the music. I don't wanna lose this feeling. I didn't come here for no one. I just came for myself and have a super fun, sexy time. And have a super fun, sexy time. I give me a super fun, sexy high. Oh yeah, super fun, sexy time. Elevated, 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 elevated. Not much of a dancer, I've always had two left feet, but tonight you can't tell me nothing. I'm on this sexy beat. You can say what you want to. I've never ever been so free. Might as well be on the ceiling, cause I don't see you. And you can't bring me down, 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 down. You can't bring me down, 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 down. You can't bring me down, so don't quit the music. I don't wanna lose this feeling. I didn't come here for no one. I just came for myself and have a super fun, sexy time. And have a super fun, sexy time. I give me a super fun, sexy high. Oh yeah, super fun, sexy time. Elevated, 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 elevated. And you can't bring me down, 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 down. 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 You can't bring me down, so don't quit the music. I don't wanna lose this feeling. I didn't come here for no one. I just came for myself and have a super fun, sexy time. And have a super fun, sexy time. I give me a sexy high. Oh yeah, super fun, sexy time. Elevated, 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 maybe I'm too black, maybe I'm too bold. Sip up on this coffee. Tell me, do I taste too strong? Maybe you don't like me. Do you think I care? This train gon' keep on rolling. There's no way that you can stop me, no. There's a fire in me. Watch me light it up. Feel this fire in me. You can't turn me off. See, I'm going higher than you thought I would. See me doing things you said that I could never do. I'm nothing that you wanted, but I'm everything I am. And apparently that's enough, so you can get out of my way, because this fire that's inside me. It cannot be controlled. And if anybody feels me, go ahead and let them know it now. There's a fire in me. Watch me light it up. Feel this fire in me. You can turn me on. There's a fire in me. Watch me light it up. Feel this fire in me. You can't turn me on. Tried and true. That's the beauty of us. There's something that's to be said about the depth of our trust. And we're still here. You never left my side.
Okay, so here is the finished product for my Valentine's edition of the floating teddy balloon centerpiece. I added some high shine so that the balloons can really pop. You know, when balloons get out in the air, they start to get ashy and matte looking. And while that look is nice for some designs, I didn't want that for this design. I wanted it to look very glossy and cute. So let me give you just a little look around. And you can also, of course, you can use any type of balloon you want, a balloon that already has like Happy Valentine's Day or whatever message. But I have a Cricut machine, and a lot of times I like to, you know, add names and messages on there. So I might just add a name or something on there. But there's also this really cool technique you can use with a glue stick. You can draw the name out on the balloon with the glue stick and then put some glitter on there, and it'll spell the name out in glitter. So that's a really cute little technique. I might use that one day, but for now, I'll just use my Cricut machine. So if you like this tutorial, go ahead on and like this video, leave a comment, and please, please, please subscribe for future videos. This is the first video I really did for this year, but I'm going to be doing many more, and I've been making some changes to my balloon decorating business. I'm going to be expanding it soon, hopefully to event rental space. That's ultimately where I want to go. So I'm really excited about that. It's going to be a work in process, and it's going to be a work in progress, and I'm going to keep you guys updated on that. But in the meantime, just keep tuning in for more videos for balloon decor. And with that being said, until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.